Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Somadeep and then you guys are watching TechMain YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic and I hope this is the first video in YouTube who is covering this topic, because whenever I searched about this topic in YouTube I didn't get any kind of result on that specific topic, but please don't quote me on that. So let's talk about this topic. Our today's topic is how we can get a job in YouTube. We all are working as a creator in YouTube, but we are not directly connect with YouTube. So so I think that we need to, or I need to make a video on that, how we can directly connect with YouTube. So today's video I will cover three major points. That what's the basic criteria to get a job in YouTube. The second one is what's the interview process to get a job in YouTube. And the third one is what's the job positions and the salary. So guys, please, it's a request from my end. Please hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you don't like, also you can hit the dislike button. And please guys, share this video as much as possible. So let's start our today's video. First, it's my responsibility to talk about something YouTube, because I am going to make a video on YouTube. So YouTube started their journey February 2005, and in the year of 2006 November Google bought YouTube. So from that time YouTube is a part of Google, and the head office or this company is situated in San Bruno, California. And we all know about that how YouTube generate their revenue, or how YouTube earn money. And how we can earn money, that we also know about that. But what's the basic criteria to get a job in YouTube? See friends, that we know about that YouTube is a part of Google, so you can assume that the eligibility criteria is very much tough. So when YouTube is going to select their employee, they are very much strict and they are very much cautious about that portion. So they generally find some potential employees with the below skills or the below points. First one is coding. You need to know coding. You have communication and interpersonal skills. You have a capability of team orientation, result orientation. Proactive, you have to be proactive, willing to take ownership, adaptive, good work ethics, fun, thrives in a flat organization, and flexibility. Now let's guys, if you have any kind of doubt about this, all the points, you can also comment down below. I will try to clear your doubt. Now if you have that above quality, you can apply for the interview. Now how we can apply for the interview? I will try to link some I will try to attach some link in the description box. You can also check that, and I hope that will help you. So once you apply, you have to upload your CV, and based on that CV or resume, the recruiter will call you. And once the recruiter will call you, you have to set your mind, and you have to tell your mind that upcoming 30 or 40 minutes they will just fry you in their questions. And by chance, if you cross that telephonic interview round, you will select for the face-to-face interview round, and that is the very much tough interview section from YouTube, because in that face-to-face interview section you have to face 4 interviewers, and they all are from the top management, the professionals. They are very much skilled and they are very much knowledgeable. So once they will call you for the face-to-face interview, they will check the below skills if you have or not. So what are all the skills are? They will check the software engineering skills. They will check your coding skills, algorithm development skills, design pattern skills, data structure skills, and analytical thinking skills. Also, they will ask you some questions based on your area of interest on that above topic. And based on that, they will give you some scenario and you have to solve that scenario on that moment in front of them. And once you complete all that interview process, the hiring team will take 2 weeks to confirm you that you will select or not. And once you select for that interview or for that job, the main thing is what are all the job positions and the salary. So let's talk about some job positions and the salary. I have tried to listed all the positions, but I hope there are few more job positions in this YouTube company. So I have listed 6-7 job positions, and if you have any doubt, you can also Google what are all the job positions for YouTube. You will get some result. First one is software engineer. The salary is $81,000 to $1,64,000. Project manager marketing $58,000 to $1,01,000. Account manager salary is $49,000 to $102K. Then strategy associate $64,000 to $1,24,000. Social media specialist $39,000 to $71,000. Senior business development manager $80,000 to $1,52,000, and publishing manager $73,000 to $1,45,000. So guys, these are all about this interview process or how we can get a job in YouTube. So I hope you guys like that video. If you guys like this video, so please hit the like button. Also, if you are new in this video, please hit the subscribe button with the bell icon. And it's a request from my end, please share this video as much as possible. So I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys are well and fine. So bye bye for this time. Bye.